Hello guys, hope you're doing well, and today we are going to talk about the Sony ZV1 digital camera. Now this is a vlogger's dream. As you can see, it's been publicized everywhere all over the world. People are just going crazy and everybody's trying to get a hold of their Sony camera. So I also jumped on the bandwagon and I had a G7X Mark II, and I wanted something which was really truly for vlogging, and Sony has finally made this. Now there are behind the scenes video which I looked and I watched, and how they got all the YouTubers together and then they asked them to develop and design, give them the ideas for the best vlogging camera, and thus they did. So here we have the Sony ZV1, and we are going to talk about the packaging first of all. This is going to be a two-stage video because it's going to be the unboxing setup, and we are going to do a test with the G7X. Right, I might make it at a different video, but yes, so this is going to be the unboxing and setup of the Sony ZV1. Okay, so guys, first of all, on the top you can see the same picture as it shows of this person. It shows that it's a vlogging camera. He's holding out with that selfie stick. I did order the selfie stick. I'll make a different video for that. On the bottom it shows you the top of the camera. On the rear it gives you some information, and on one side it does give you all the details what this Sony ZV1 is about. It's got the Exmor RS CMOS sensor, Bionz X. It's got this processor. The sensor is Exmor R, 4K HDR, Wi-Fi, and then you have all these different features. It's written as 1-inch type Exmor RS CMOS sensor, 20.1 megapixel, 24 to 70 is the millimeter lens, and f 1.8 to 2.8. Phase detection 315 autofocus points, real-time autofocus, real-time eye autofocus. Then you have face appeal, bokeh switch, clear voice recording, and microphone jack. But I'm going to be using my external mic. But anyways, it's good to have this device with obviously using its audio, and it's got Bluetooth as well. So guys, let's go ahead and open the box first of all. So the first thing is that you can see that it comes with these load of books and catalogs, and yeah. So I ordered this camera from Hong Kong, from a different company, not eGlobal Central this time, and I'll just talk about that later on. And in the box we have the wind muff. So the dead cat or the wind muff comes with an attachment to fit over the camera like that. So that's the attachment. And then we have the micro USB cable. I'm not sure why they didn't make this camera USB-C compatible, but they are using a micro USB, so that's fine. And then we have the camera. Let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, wow. Now first of all, I can tell you straight away, looking at it, the build quality is excellent. I'll just keep this on the side and we'll talk about the camera in a minute. And then what else comes in the box is its battery. So that's it. So this is the battery which comes with the Sony. It's the NPBX1, and NPBX1 lithium ion battery. Yeah, so I'm just going to take that out. That we'll just put it inside the camera and start it up. Let's put that back in. So that was the unboxing. Now we've got three items over here. One is the battery, one is the dead cat, and the camera itself. So let's look at the camera in the first instance. So first of all, what I can feel that the camera is very well built. It doesn't give you much information on the bottom. It just says Sony Corporation digital still camera. That is the battery compartment, and you have the screw for fixing it to a tripod mount. On the left you have the HDMI port. You have another port which I'm not entirely sure what this is. So you have the charging port and an external microphone jack. Now I can tell you that these, normally these plugs are made out of plastic. They are plastic, but they're not like rubberized. So that's one good thing what I can instantly tell you. Apart from that, you have the function key, you have the menu key, you have this scroll dial, you have this play button, and you have the trash bin. So on the top you have this, I'm not sure what this is for, maybe it's the flash, I got no clue what that is. So that's for the microphone, I'm guessing, and that's on and off, mode button, wide and tele if you want to zoom in, zoom out, and then you have the recording button, and you have the background defocus button. So they've made it, super simple to use, nothing complicated, and I'm really, I really feel really happy to buy this product, as it really feels premium in quality, and it says ZS over here and Sony on the top. And this grip is slightly rubberized, but I can tell you that the build quality is excellent. Now the screen does flip out, so that's a good thing. You can flip out the screen, and then you can even close the screen like that just to protect it, and you can vlog like that, and then you can even turn it around to actually face it to yourself while you're vlogging, and the Sony mark comes on the bottom, and once when you're done you can even flip it like that. So guys, first of all, let's go ahead and insert the battery. So here we go guys, I've inserted the battery, and secondly we need to put this dead cat or wind muff over the microphone. So I'm guessing that this is just a sort of plastic piece of attachment, and which can be taken off, and then all you need to do is perfectly designed for the microphone, and all you need to do is slide it over. So when you slide it over, it literally fits so well over the microphone, and that is it. So I would prefer, and I would suggest you guys, if you are buying this the ZV1, you should always put this on. Maybe you're going outside and you need to vlog without an external microphone, and this would be helpful. You don't want to be scrambling if you don't have a dead cat. So I would suggest that always keep it on, and that is it. So let's go ahead and turn on the camera, and it doesn't hinder the buttons much as well, as you can see over here. So I was thinking maybe it would, so power on and off is slightly in, but it's easy to access still. So I'm just going to power it on, and the light turns green. It gives you the initial setup. So initial setup English, enter area, date and time, enter, so that's London, okay, on, and then it tells you to download some software, and instantly once you set it up, the lens just pops out, and yeah, that's it. I mean, it says select focus point on and off. I haven't done anything. I mean, literally the settings are on auto, and Sony's settings are a bit different than Canon, so I'm just going to leave it on auto, and I'm gonna see how it functions. So this was my unboxing for the Sony ZV1. If you guys are planning to buy it, go for it. It's a brilliant camera. I would 100% say go for it. It's lovely. I mean, the reviews are fantastic. I haven't tested it out, but I'm sure it'll do a brilliant job. So guys, thanks for watching, and appreciate your time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.